Let us solve the equation x to the power 6 equal to x minus 2 to the power 6. We want to solve this equation. Let us rewrite this equation. X to the power 6 minus x minus 2 to the power 6 equal to 0. That makes our work a bit easier. See that x to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole thing square, and x minus 2 to the power 6 can be written as x minus 2 whole thing cube and again whole thing square. Now you see you get an expression of the type a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square equal to a minus b whole thing into a plus b. Let's do same thing here. So x cube that imply x cube minus of x minus 2 whole thing cube whole thing into, so a minus b into a plus b, so x cube plus of x minus 2 whole thing cube equal to 0. But you see you have product of two number equal to 0, then one of them has to be 0. So either x cube minus of x minus 2 whole thing cube equal to 0, or x cube plus of x minus 2 whole thing cube equal to 0. Now, okay, we have started with a degree 6 equation, that is a big number, but you can see that now you just have power 3. Once again, if product of two number equal to 0, then one of them has to be 0. Maybe both of them are 0, but we don't know which one is exactly 0. So either x cube minus x minus 2 whole thing cube equal to 0, or x cube plus x minus 2 whole thing cube equal to 0. So case 1, we assume that x cube minus x minus 2 whole thing cube equal to 0. But this is again expression of the type a cube minus b cube that can be factorized into a minus b whole thing into a square plus ab plus b square. Let's do it. A minus b, so x minus 2 into x square, a square, plus ab, x into x minus 2 plus b square, so x minus 2 whole thing square equal to 0. Now again, if product of two number equal to 0, one of them has to be equal to 0. X and x gets cancelled and plus 2 cannot be 0. So we must have that this quantity is exactly equal to 0. So x square plus x into x is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 whole thing square is that is equal to a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square equal to 0. X cube, 3 number of x cube, minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we see that this is a quadratic equation. Let's write it in ax square plus bx plus c. That's a quadratic equation. And the roots are given by x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b equal to minus 6, so minus of minus 6 plus minus root over b square, so minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 4 divided by 2 into a is 3. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. And plus minus root over minus 6 square is 36. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 4 is 48 by 6. You see that this cannot be a real number. So plus 6 plus minus root over 36 minus 48 is minus 12. That's equal to 6 plus minus root 4 is 2. So 2 into root 3 into I by 6. We can take 2 common and we have 3 plus minus root 3I by 3. 2 gets cancelled, so 3 plus minus root 3I by 3. Alright, let's look at the another case.